Hello, in front of me I've got EMPORIA Smart 5. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. Let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Actually, the first two are non-security, but we are going to use them as well. So first let's select none, and now let's select swipe. Then let's select pin. That has to contain at least 4 digits. Now, let's select password. That has to contain at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern. To create pattern, you have to connect at least 4 dots. Now, when it's done, we can go to Face ID, confirm with your pattern, tap next, and scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.